Wow, this is Inyaba River. Today, the 23rd day of September 2025, and I am here live today. And as a result of Milizolonya, has it like this. I learned that's not the middle cross, so all this place I could now in Anyaba about the location, the pillars for the new bridge, not under construction. The one I got before Bunka Obahu. Last time I'm there about pillars na about maybe here covers it. In Anya Namborega for the former bridge and a use bu bridge Oshishi. And the other side Mili Jaja Uchi the pillars. So as a result of million now, I don't think we are getting about until million abada. And this is the level of water neighbor. Kamilina abada. So now what I'm going to do now is going at the former bridge. The old bridge, old bridge in Yaba. I made a video last time, and someone was asking me to show him the video of the current bridge under construction. So as a result of water, I guess this water was the reason why now all the neighbor slowed down. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'm close on Enugu bridge here because onye ọbụla jelu nso n'ọnụ dị mmiri. Onye ọbụla jelu nso n'ọnụ dị mmiri na-atụ onwe asha ụka. Na ka m fụchikwa azụ m fonu mmede ahụ m n'aka. Nke a na-ebu ajụ. This is Inyaba River in Amagunze. Wow. Ebe m nọ ya bụ n'Enugu bridge, the former bridge. Ka m nọ n'Enugu ife a. So aya m atụ onwe m asha ụka nke isi ka m bịagoro n'akụkụ dị mmiri because ọ na-achọ onye ọ ga-eburu wee gbafu m. Hey Jesus. Wow.